Hi friends, today we are off to some beautiful places in Meghalaya, first capital Shillong. This is Shillong, the biggest church there, Latumkra Church, well lit on the occasion of Christmas Eve. Its size is humongous. Then inside the church, Mother Mary. And this is a replica of Pieta, the famous creation of Michelangelo. Mother Mary is holding Jesus. And then we go onwards to cleanest village Mawlin Nong. Before that, this living root bridge comes, single decker. So previous slide I was standing on the living root bridge. After having crossed, I have come downstream. At the back, the living root bridge is visible. The innovation of the local people has to be appreciated. They have woven the roots of the trees on the either side of the stream and given it the form of a bridge on which one can easily walk. So you can see more clearly the living root bridge here. Below a stream is flowing, and now we have reached the cleanest village in Asia, Mawlin Nong. Not a speck of dirt you will find there. These are the beautiful flowers of Mawlin Nong. This is the house of the village. Can you imagine such a beautiful house? And all houses are like this, beautiful. The greenery, the well-maintained gardens and lawns in the village give a very good look. And this is a rooftop house. This is the passage how we climbed. I have climbed up, and below my friend is waving. I have reached the rooftop house now, standing there. It tires you out. The climb to the rooftop house tires you out, so I have to sit down, relaxed for a while, having got tired out. In the background, field is there. This is the barbed wire fencing between India and Bangladesh. On the right side is Bangladesh, and to prevent the cattle smuggling, the barbed wire fencing is being erected. And we have reached the border with Bangladesh. There is the border point. You can see. Board says welcome to Bangladesh. Lot of people travel from this road border to Bangladesh. Sylhet they go, and onwards also. Another view of the gate on the Indian side. India-Bangladesh Friendship Gate. And this is near Dauki, friends. So Dauki is the river between India and Bangladesh here. Very clean water. You can see below at the bottom the pebbles, and a bridge is there across the Dauki river. So boating facility is there. We are doing some boating here. You can see the pebbles at the bottom. And the picture is very famous here. Picture of the boat's reflection at the bottom of the river. That picture is widely circulated on the social media. On our way back to Guwahati, Shillong Peak we have come to. This is a defense establishment also. Passes are required. Identity will be required to enter the Shillong Peak. You can see from the peak the beautiful Shillong city at the back. And lot of facilities are there. Watchtower is there. Here I am standing at the deck of the watchtower. My daughter and son-in-law accompanied me, so here they have worn a Khasi dress. This facility is available. They are very happy in the Khasi dress. Again at the deck of the watchtower with these beautiful memories. We have to come back